Hi, everybody. Casey Zander here, and these are your action items I need you to actually execute on within week 6. Number 1, once you develop the bond with a woman, which means if you're at week 6, you should actually be seeing a woman frequently, or you guys should have some sort of history together, you have to slowly pull back the investment. Okay, she needs to be the one in chase and fighting for your time. Let me explain why. Typically, when men start to see a woman frequently, she knows exactly where she stands with him, and she starts to lose attraction because he's so willing at any point to keep her in his life. Okay, this is what you cannot be doing. Once you develop the bond, it is your time to slowly start pulling back. Number 2, figure out where you stand with sex. Okay, this number 2 bullet point has literally nothing to do with women. This has everything to do with your own morals, your own conscience, and how you can sleep well at night. Okay, because sex means a lot of different things to men. Some take sex very seriously, and some do not take it seriously at all. Okay, before you get sexually active with a woman, you must draw a hard line in the sand for what you will and will not do. Because let's face it, there's nothing casual about sex. Sex can cause unwanted pregnancy, sex can cause STDs, and oftentimes men just do it to fulfill their ego. You need to treat sex as a serious matter. Treat it as such. So figure out where you stand with sex. You can write this down in your journal. You can mentally take note of this. Figure out what this means to you and why you want it in the first place and what this is going to do for you to actually better your life. Number 3, when you're with a woman at this point, I want you to, for once in your life, actually get the upper hand. Because most men have no idea what it feels like to be in complete control of their dating life. And what happens is women most of the time have the upper hand with men. So if you have seen a woman for a number of months or weeks, you need to actually start to establish this dominant role. How do we get the upper hand? Well, we get the upper hand by doing everything that we talked about in week 6. And when you notice she starts fighting for more time, more commitment, more investment even harder, or she starts putting the questions on as, when are we official? Where do I stand with you? This is when you know you are winning. And number 4, you start to remove the validation. You see, validation comes with your time, your energy, your attention, and your compliments. When she no longer receives it, she wants it even more. And these are the only 4 things that you must do to master week 6.